sport body kit, forged wheel hub, carbon fiber tail. Today we will watch this GT. Hello everyone, welcome to AutoLab. The car beside me is the Lynk Co 07 GT that many Lynk Co fans miss. As you can see, this car is obviously not as simple as adding a trunk to the Lynk Co 07. Next, I will introduce how Lynk Co's first station wagon performs from the outside in. First, in terms of car paint color, Lynk Co 07 GT provides a total of 6 options. The one next to me is a brand new Pamir blue. This blue is easily reminiscent of the sailing blue on 03 Plus back then. I personally like it very much. The front and rear bumpers of the new car also bear a noticeable resemblance to those on the old 03 Plus. Do you prefer this or the design of Lynk Co 07? Since the sporty atmosphere has been created, then the sports package naturally cannot be missed. Front spatula, side skirt, rear brace, and a carbon fiber rear spoiler. Emotional value is definitely enough. In addition, the sports version also brings a new style of 19-inch forged wheels, and bright yellow 4-piston calipers. On the side of the car, although the Lynk Co 07 GT has only grown by 11mm compared to the Lynk Co 07, but the whole profile looks noticeably more fluid and coordinated, because now the raised waistline and the line at the back of the roof finally have enough room for the designer to play to the fullest. Speaking of ample space, the trunk volume of the Lynk Co 07 GT has also been increased from 450 litres to 614 litres. If the rear seats are reclined, the maximum capacity can be expanded to 1,665 litres. So the beauty of station wagons goes beyond just looking good, but also more practical. In addition, it also comes with an electric trailer hook under the tailgate, with a maximum towing capacity of 1.6 tons. If you still think it's not enough, then the overhead rack will give you an extra 100 kilos. Okay. Now that I've seen what this car looks like, so let's open the doors and step inside. By the way, the exterior door handles of this car have become semi-hidden. But the more amazing thing is here. Yes, as you can see, the inner door handle has also been changed. I personally really like the peace of mind that this mechanical door handle brings. I hope that subsequent models of Lynk Co can also be changed back to this design. Back to the interior of the Lynk Co 07 GT. I didn't expect this car to even change the interior after becoming a GT. The most obvious change is this area of the center armrest. The cup holder has been repositioned. The armrest box adopts a double-layer design. Below is a newly added 5.5-liter refrigerator. In front of the cup holder, the new car also adds a row of knobs and physical buttons. This knob can not only adjust the volume, but also quickly switch the driving mode, etc., which is very practical. As for the color and materials, the sports version we experience today is also quite heartfelt. Various bright yellow stitches, black suede seats, and yellow seat belts. These are the benefits only available to Lynk Co 03 Plus. Coming to the back row, thanks to the shape of the station wagon, the rear passenger experience of the new car has also been improved. More headroom, and the rear backrest angle also supports electric adjustment. Does seeing this make the Lynk Co 07 GT catch your eye? Lynk Co's friends told me that their internal pricing of Lynk Co is still at a stage of intense discussion. So feel free to leave your target price in the comments. See you next time.